Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be talking about a super useful Telegram tool, Delete BuddyBot. So, what is it? Delete BuddyBot helps you automatically delete all messages in your Telegram channel. Fast, easy, and perfect for a fresh start. How to use Delete BuddyBot. 1. Go to Telegram and search for @DeleteBuddyBot. Click Start to begin. You'll see several options. Add funds. Tap on Add funds and follow the steps to top up your account. My account. Check your details like current balance, total channels cleaned, date you joined. Delete messages. This is the core feature. Here's how to use it. 1. Tap on Delete Messages. 2. Select the chat or channel you want to clean. 3. Before proceeding, make sure you add @DeleteAgent as an admin in your channel. 4. Tap on Done, then confirm deletion. And boom, your messages will be deleted. Delete logs. Track everything you've done, which channels you cleaned, how many messages, charges used, help. If you face any issue, tap on Help to contact the admin directly. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Telegram tips and tools.